What if I told you there's a stock so dependable it's been nicknamed the monthly dividend company, with a track record of paying and raising dividends for over 50 years? Imagine putting $10,000 into this powerhouse and watching it deliver consistent monthly cash flow while growing your wealth over time. That's exactly what Realty Income ticker O does for its shareholders. Let's dive into the numbers, the potential, and why this real estate investment trust, REIT, is one of the most trusted dividend stocks in the market. Realty Income stands out because of its unique business model. It owns over 12,000 properties across the U.S., leased to big-name recession-resistant businesses like Walgreens, Dollar General, and 7-Eleven. These tenants operate in industries people rely on no matter what's happening in the economy, meaning Realty Income enjoys stable rental income. Unlike many other companies, Realty Income doesn't pay dividends quarterly. It pays them monthly, making it an attractive choice for investors looking for consistent passive income. Let's say you invested $10,000 into Realty Income today. With its current dividend yield of around 5%, you'd receive approximately $500 annually in dividends, which breaks down to about $42 per month. That's money flowing into your account every single month, no extra effort required. But here's where it gets interesting. If you reinvest those dividends using a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, you could start compounding your returns almost immediately. Each dividend payment would buy additional shares, increasing your future payouts and creating a snowball effect that grows your income exponentially over time. Now let's talk about the long-term potential. Over the last 10 years, Realty Income has delivered a strong total return, combining steady dividend payouts with stock price appreciation. If you had invested $10,000 in Realty Income a decade ago and reinvested all your dividends, your investment could be worth significantly more today. This growth isn't just due to the dividends, it's also because Realty Income consistently increases its dividend. In fact, it's a member of the Dividend Aristocrats, an elite group of companies with at least 25 years of consecutive dividend increases. This means your income grows year after year, outpacing inflation and giving you more purchasing power over time. Realty Income's reliability also stems from its conservative approach to debt and careful selection of tenants. With a focus on long-term leases and high occupancy rates, the company minimizes risks and ensures stable cash flow. This makes it a safe haven for investors during market volatility. Whether the economy is booming or facing headwinds, Realty Income's diversified portfolio of tenants keeps it on solid ground. To put this into perspective, let's imagine how your $10,000 investment could grow over time. With an average annual total return of around 10%, including dividends and capital appreciation, your $10,000 could double in just over 7 years if you reinvest your dividends. In 20 years, that initial $10,000 could grow to over $67,000 thanks to the compounding effect. And remember, this doesn't include the potential for future dividend increases, which would only accelerate your returns. So what's the catch? Like any investment, Realty Income isn't without risks. Rates can be sensitive to interest rate changes, which can impact their stock price. However, Realty Income's long-term performance and diversified portfolio make it a resilient choice, even in challenging economic conditions. In summary, investing $10,000 into Realty Income is like putting your money into a reliable machine that works for you 24/7. You'd enjoy steady monthly income, the potential for long-term growth, and the peace of mind that comes with owning a Dividend Aristocrat. Whether you're looking to build wealth, supplement your income, or prepare for retirement, Realty Income offers a proven path to financial freedom. Ready to take the next step? Subscribe to my channel and start investing in Realty Income today and let your money work harder, smarter, and more consistently than ever before. After all, when it comes to building wealth, there's nothing quite like the power of monthly dividends.